Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mary. In today's video, I'm going to review the Saint Botanica Moroccan Argan Oil Hair Mask. I make a lot of skincare and a lot of hair care reviews on my channel, so if you're interested, then please make sure that you subscribe so you'll be notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Now let's begin with the review. The price of this hair mask is 549 rupees for 200 ml of quantity. This product, just like most of the hair mask, comes in a tub packaging like this. The texture of this product is very lightweight. It has a very creamy sort of texture, and it's not like super thick. It is a very lightweight, creamy sort of hair mask. This is the complete ingredient list of this hair mask. They have added synthetic fragrance, which is quite high up on the ingredient list. They've also added silicone, which is dimethicone, a type of silicone in this, and some of the deep conditioning ingredients that they have added in this hair mask are oats protein, Moroccan argan oil, and shea butter. Okay, now these are all of the claims that they have mentioned on their product, and it says that it gives extraordinary softness to hair strands. Lightweight hair mask provides deep conditioning to tresses and gives smooth and manageable look, improves texture of hair and makes hair soft and silky. So these were some of the claims that they have made as per the product packaging and on their website as well. Now I want to quickly share my overall review for this hair mask. As they mentioned in the claims, this has a very lightweight texture. It is not like super rich and thick, so it works for hair which is oily, and if you have oily scalp and all, then it would work for that. It has a very lightweight texture, and since it has lightweight, it rinses off very easily from the hair. It does make the hair smooth and soft, not super silky, but it definitely makes the hair smooth and soft, and it does give good results. It removes frizz a little bit from the hair as well, but I want to share the long-term result of this hair mask. I had this hair mask since a very long time, and I was using it like on and off. I used it continuously for a period of a month or two, and then I stopped to try and review other products. So I want to share the long-term results, which is not so great. As I mentioned, it does give that deep conditioning and it does make hair smooth and soft, but it also causes a lot of hair fall, which I noticed after using it for a long period of time. So initially when I started using this product, in 2 to 3 uses, it did not cause me hair fall, but after like a long period of use, it did cause a lot of hair fall, and so I had stopped using it, and that is why I did not review it so far, because I wanted to be sure of this product, that this is the one that is causing hair fall. So yeah, so this is not a good product, though it does work as a hair mask, but it causes a lot of hair fall, so I wouldn't recommend it at all. There are a lot of good products out there in the market that you can try, and similar and lesser price range as well. So that is all from my overall review of the Saint Botanica Moroccan Argan Oil Hair Mask. I hope you found this review to be useful, and if you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Make sure you're subscribed for more such hair care reviews. I do a lot of skincare as well on my channel. I'll leave some links in the description box below for you to check out. And yeah, that is all for today. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.